Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to save your MATLAB code to LaTeX format. So basically what you'll need to do is go to Live Editor right here. So click on the Live Editor, and as you can see there is an export button. So click on Export button, and right here you'll see Export to LaTeX. Click on the Export to LaTeX. Right here you can rename it if you need to. So I will write guide to everything, and now I will just click export. And right here on the MATLAB drive, you'll see it will appear. So let me find that. As you can see, guide to everything dot text. So now if you right click it, what you can do is rename it, download if you need to save to your local files, open, cut, copy, or just copy a path. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was been helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.